Welcome back to another video, and today we will not go further with our tasks from our AI manual, but we will discuss something even more interesting. Today I would like to talk about list comprehension, a very powerful tool that allows you to generate lists without using too much time and space and efforts. And basically, that is a must for every professional developer, from what I know. Now let's go to that. Basically, list comprehension is equation for element in iterable in squared brackets, but it can do even more. Let's check it. As for start, let's make some numbers list. It's gonna be a list that is full of elements for elements in what range? In range 20. And let's print it out. Let's apply it. And as you see, we have it. If we didn't use list comprehension, what would we do? We would probably do like something like this. Numbers is an empty list. Now for E in range 20, what should we do? We should numbers dot band like this and this. What's shorter? Moreover, list comprehension works even quicker than the regular transcription, I guess. So let's find out all the possibilities of this wonderful thing. Not only can it generate simple lists from some iterables, it can also alter each element. For example, new numbers, is equal to each element of the primary list. We will square, do it to the power of 2 for each element of the original list in original iterable, which is going to be our numbers generated previously. And now let's print it. As you can see, now we have all the squares. Not only can we do it, we also can filter this information, basically. Now let's try that. Odd squares. I guess I misspelled it, but it doesn't really matter. Huh. So what are we going to do? We are going to let's do it L for L in new numbers. But only if the result of the mode operation by the division of 2 is going to be the 1. Not 0, but 1. Which means that when you divide something by 2 and you want an integer, you either have everything divided and the rest is 0, or you have one. You can't divide the same number. You need to subtract 1 from the original number to for it to be able to be divided by 2 without any rest. And this is odd number. Print odd squares. Do that. Huh? Really? We have all of them. You can pause and check it, but all in all, it looks like this. And even this is not everything, because we can wrap one list comprehension inside of another list comprehension. So simple matrix is going to be simply generated, really. Okay, now L for L in range. Mm-hmm. 20. And this one is going to be just one element of another thing. So this is going to be element like the equation, right? For E in range 30, right? And to print it out, I would do it like this. For E in range length of matrix print matrix I. As you see, we have it. Nice. Okay. So we can do lots of interesting things with it, really. Basically, this is how it works. If you want to understand how to implement it, in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to rebuild my previous program for matrices made in the course of AI manual, so that it is shorter, neater, quicker, and better. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.